Hi everybody.
Today, what do you have in your hands?
I had chocolates for me.
Give me.
Okay. I would like to share with Saha also. I have 6 chocolates with me, so I shall give 3 to Sahasri and 3 with me. Is that okay, Sahasri?
No. My friend Puvika is coming to our home.
So what?
I want to share chocolates with her.
Oh, so kind of you. I also share with you. How many chocolates you will share with her?
2.
Okay. This is one chocolate. Where is another chocolate?
We had to give.
Okay. I'll give 1 chocolate and give 1 chocolate. So 2 chocolates for Puvika, 2 chocolates for me, and how many chocolates do you have?
2.
Okay, we have equal number of chocolates. Fine, nice.
But now only I got a call and they told me Pranita is coming, Loki is coming, Rishikesh is coming.
So 3 more friends of yours are coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 2 for Puvika, I have 2 for myself, and you have 2. Let us share one by one.
Yeah.
So let us give 1 for Puvika. Yes. Now 1 for Pranita. Yes. I give from my side 1 for Ajay, and you are going to give 1 for Lokeshwari. Is it okay? So I got 1, she got 1, and also all our other friends got 1. Fine. Okay. So we had 6 chocolates altogether. Not we. I had 6 chocolates altogether. So this is Saha's mom. 6 chocolates altogether. Saha's mom is so good. She shared with Sahasri. Now Saha's mom and Sahasri had equal number of chocolates. So this is 3 chocolates they had and 3 chocolates they had. Then Sahasri wants to share the chocolate with her cousin Puvika. So now Sahasri mom, Saha and Puvika had 3 chocolates equal. Sorry, 2 chocolates equal. 2 chocolates with me. Sahasri got 2 chocolates and Puvika got 2 chocolates. But what happened now?
3 friends are coming.
3 more friends. So we shared with 3 other friends also. Okay. Sahasri mom kept 1 for herself. So I kept 1 for myself, and I shared 1 with friend Loki. So 1 for me, 1 from Loki. Sahasri had 2 chocolates. 1 she kept for Sahasri for herself, and 1 she shared for Ajay, 1 more friend. So 1 for Saha, 1 for Ajay. And Puvika, we kept 1 for Puvika and 1 for who's the other friend? Pranita. Okay. It all starts with P and P. Puvika and Pranita. So 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates. I had 6 chocolates, but now how many chocolates I am getting? Only 1 chocolate. See here. This 1 chocolate, this 6 chocolates may be shared with 1 person. This 6 chocolates may be shared with me and Saha, 2 persons. This 6 chocolates may be shared with me, Saha and Puvika, myself, Saha and Puvika. Yes, this 6 chocolates may be shared with all our friends, including Puvika and friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, by all the friends. But if there comes only 1 person extra, probably Rishikesh comes. Rishi is another friend, right? If Rishikesh comes, where he will get the chocolate? So sad. We have only 1 chocolate. Obviously, I have to share with him, right? So Rishikesh will not get chocolate, or I will not get the chocolate. So we have 6 chocolates. It may be taken by 1 person, or it may be taken by 2 person, or it may be taken by 3 person, or it may be taken by 6 person. Is it okay? This is what you call as factors. Okay. Factors has 2 rules. Shall we go for the rules, Saha?
Yeah.
Yes. Let me have the rules here. Factors has 2 rules. First rule is, you can come this side, Saha. First rule is, we have 6 and we have 1 here, 6 here, 1 here and 6 here. So 1 here and 6 here. We had other numbers also, 2 and 3. We had other numbers also, 2 and 3. 2 and 3, right? 1, 2 and 3. I have written all 1, 2, 3 and 6. All these 4 numbers are called factors. Why we call this as factors? Because these chocolates are being shared with us equally, not like 1.5 chocolates, 2 chocolates, 1 chocolate, not like that, equally. So factors means sharing equally. Factors mean sharing equally, right? Fine. So rule 1 is 6 will have 1 and 6 as factors. This is what I have written here. 6 will have 1 and 6 as factors. And second, it had 2 and 3 also factors. It had 2 and 3 also factors. So 6 has 1 and 6, 1 and the same number of factors. And also 6 has 2 and 3 as factors. This is what you call as factors. Factors is nothing but sharing equally, right? If I take 8 chocolates, can you guess with how many I can share equally?
1.
Okay.
2.
Good.
4.
Very good. Why not 3?
Because it's not multiple of 8.
Yes, if it is not a multiple of 8, we cannot share equally. Just think, if you are giving 3 chocolates to Saha, I take 3 chocolates and the remaining will be 3 plus 3 is 6. Only 8 chocolates, remaining will be 2. There is no equal sharing. You should be genuine, right? So you cannot do with 3, right? 4, good. Then
8.
8. Why not 5?
No.
Cannot be shared equally. Why not 6?
No.
Cannot be shared equally. Why not 7? Cannot be shared equally. So we can have only 1, 2, 4 and 8. So rule 1, I will have 1 and the same number 8. See, 1 and the same number 8. Rule 2, other numbers 4 and 2, 2 and 4. This is what you call as factors, right? This is what you call as factors. Factors simply you can keep it in your mind as sharing equally, or else you have to go for checking in which table you will get 8. In which table you will get 8. So 8 ones are 8, so you are getting in first table. 1 8s are 8, yes, you are getting in 8 table also. 2 4s are 8, yes, you are getting in second table. 4 2s are 8, yes, you are getting in fourth table. So you have to check in how many tables you get number 8. So this is what you call as factors. You have heard of prime numbers and composite numbers? You have any idea?
I have idea about prime numbers.
What do you mean by prime numbers?
Prime numbers, like I will give you an example. 7.
Okay.
It's multiple of 1 and only 7.
Okay. 8 is a prime number?
No.
Then what number is this?
Composite number.
Why this is composite number?
Because it's not multiple of 1 and not 8. It's
Okay.
like it can come to
2 and 4. Very good, Saha. Thank you for helping me. So if I take number 7, this has only 2 multiples, 1 and 7. That is 2 factors, 1 and 7. If I take the number 8, we have 1, we have 2, we have 4, and the other number, Saha? 8.
8.
Yes, we have 1, 2, 4 and 8. If we have only the first rule is what? That's getting the same number. If we have only the first rule, that is 1 and 7, we call this as prime number. Instead, if I have other numbers, 2 and 4 or some other numbers, I'll call this as, what number is this?
Composite number.
Composite number. Thank you, Saha. This number is called composite number. Okay. So we have prime numbers. Can you come here? I want to discuss that side. So we have prime numbers which will satisfy first rule. What is the first rule? 1 will be the factor, okay, which means it will come in one table, and the same number okay. This is first condition. Second condition, we have other numbers as factors, right? Fine.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I need to share you something.
Yes.
1 is not a composite number and prime number.
Yes, right. 1 is neither prime nor composite, because for prime number to be satisfied, we need to have number and same number. But when we go for number 1, I have 1 but the same number is 1. I need to have 2 factors, right? So 1 is neither prime, is not a prime number, and also is not a composite number, Thank you, Saha, for sharing. So we need to check with 2 conditions. 1 and same number, second is other numbers. If only rule 1 is satisfied, you call it as prime number. There is exactly 2 factors. If rule 2 is also satisfied, you call this as composite number, which means composite number has to get satisfied with both the rules. Can you give an example with any other numbers? Can you write any other numbers, please?
Composite number or prime number?
You can give example on any. Shall I get the board free for you?
Yeah.
Can you give 2 examples on prime number?
Prime number. So 7.
Can you take any other number, Saha? I have taken already 7.
Okay, 5.
Okay.
So 5 is equal to, it can be multiple of 1
Okay.
and 5.
Okay. This is a?
Prime number.
Okay. Any other example for prime number? 3?
Yeah. 3. Thank you for helping.
Yeah, you have to thank me. Okay.
1,
Okay.
multiple of 1 and multiple of 3.
11 is a prime number?
11, no.
Can you check? 11 is a prime number?
11 is equal to 1
Okay.
multiple of 1. It's 111.
Yes, right. Very good, Saha. Okay, can you give some examples for composite numbers?
Composite number 2.
Okay, that's a very small number.
Okay, 8.
I have taken 8.
12.
Okay.
12 can be multiple of
12 has multiple of? Okay, I'll help you. 12 has multiple of?
1,
Okay.
2,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
4.
Okay. 5.
No.
Oh, okay, no. 6. Very good.
And 12.
Okay. That's nice. So I have for 12, let me check whether both the rules are getting satisfied. So first rule, 1 and 12. There is rule is, let me have the rule here. First rule is 1 and same number should be there. Is there, Saha? 1 and same number are there?
Yeah.
Yes. 1 and same number. Yes. 1 and 12. 12 is the number, right? Same number is there. So rule 1 is satisfied. Rule 2, any other numbers are there? Any other factors are there?
Yes.
What are the factors?
2.
So I have 2, yes.
3,
I have 3,
4,
4,
6.
6. So only 1 and 3 is a prime number. 1 and same number. 1 and 11 only is a prime number because same number. But here for 12 I have 1 and 12 and also second condition is satisfied 2, 3, 4 and 6. So this is a composite number. So what we have learnt in this video?
Factors,
Yes.
composite number,
Let me list it out here. Factors.
composite number,
What is factors?
factors,
Checking with the multiplication table.
checking.
So in which multiplication table you get it? Multiple.
Multiple.
So you can have this as equal sharing.
Well,
Thank you. Next. What else we learnt?
prime number
Yes, prime number,
and composite.
composite number, and one thing you shared with me that saying
One.
1 is
Not
neither prime
or and composite.
nor composite. Neither prime
And
nor composite, which means that is not a prime number, is not a composite number. Thank you.